Welcome to GoIPO, the online portal that makes investing in bonds easier than ever. This video will show you how to apply for a bond on GoIPO. To get started, simply visit goipo.jncb.com. Once there, choose your desired region and select the Bonds option from the Offers menu. This will take you to a page with all the available bonds offered by NCB Capital Markets. Here, you may filter bonds by region, industry, and more, enabling you to easily search for bonds that meet your specific investment criteria. Once you've found a bond that interests you, select it to view more details such as term sheet, trust deed, and bond purchase agreement. Once you're ready, click Apply to begin your application. You'll then be given the option to sign in or continue as a guest. If you sign in with your NCB online credentials, you will not need to enter your personal details when completing the bond application. For clients without NCB online credentials, select Continue as Guest. Don't forget to click on and read the GoIPO portal agreement. You'll now be able to confirm the details of the bond, as well as the amount you want to invest. Now, select whether you'd like to proceed with an individual or corporate account. To apply as an individual, you'll need to provide your name, address, email, phone number, identification number, and investment account details, including your Jamaica Central Securities Depository account number. If you do not have a JCSD account, you can easily create one by selecting Create Investment Account on the home page. If this is a joint account, select Add Joint Holder. Click Next and enter personal details for the joint account holder. To proceed with a corporate account, fill out the business details such as company name, address, email, telephone number, identification number, and investment account details. Under Funding Details, select the institution and account number that will be funding this account. Next, input the interest account and refund mandate. That's the information for where the interest and return of funds should be sent. If the account is the same for both, tick the box to indicate such. Next, you will need to upload the required documentation, a government-issued photo ID, and a signature document. Download the signature document via a link on the page and sign it. If this is a joint account, remember to have all account holders sign. Before submitting your application, take a moment to review all of the information you've provided. Ensure everything is accurate and up to date. If you need to make any changes, click back. If everything looks good and you have read and understood the term sheet and bond purchase agreement, click Submit. And that's it. You're ready to apply for bonds on GoIPO. Thank you for choosing NCB Capital Markets. We look forward to helping you achieve your financial goals.